Welcome to Athens! In this video we will show you how to spend one day in Athens.
And watch the video until the end to discover the maddest experience you can have in the city.
We are now at the metro station. It's very easy to get around Athens. You just need one of these tickets. It's €20 for 3 days or 72 hours. You can get from the airport to the city, use all public transport and get back to the airport. For the first part of our journey, we decided to make a free walking tour through the city center to see what Athens has to offer.
If you're like here on your very first day in Athens and you want to know where to go, what to see and what to do.
We're right now at the free walking tour. It's very interesting. Athens is a beautiful city, so what we have seen so far. The church you see behind us is the oldest church in Athens, but it came down at the big earthquake in 1999 and was completely destroyed. So they built it up until 2017. It was reopened.
Originally it was made out completely of marble, but now it's concrete.
So these soldiers here are all conscript soldiers, but there's only 100 of them. They're the tallest and they're the fittest, so they're the best soldiers that they have, the best recruits. And they all want to be in this position.
One good part about Athens is that there's history everywhere. You just stroll around and find some archaeological sites. You'll find new buildings, old buildings, all nearby each other because it has so much history. I highly recommend you take a walking tour because you get very deep insights in how the city was built up like it is today. Thank you. These are fellow YouTubers. That's the time we live in today. YouTubers are everywhere. So a little bit of publicity for a street artist. Check it out.
Well, I want to thank you guys. You're a very lovely group. I enjoyed taking you around the city. Thank you guys. Thank you.
We absolutely can recommend a free walking tour through Athens. It's very informative. We were lucky enough to get a student who studies Greek history. We got ourselves
€30 tickets to enter most of the sites in Athens. It is valid for 5 days.
Now we're heading to the Akropolis Museum, as our guide told us to do the museum before the Acropolis, so we get an overview of what we are seeing up above.
First we have to go to security.
Oh, sorry, does this work?
No, this is not for the
it's separate. So apparently, to our tour guide, the €30 ticket was also inclusive with the Akropolis Museum, but actually it is not. So we need to buy another ticket for €10 to enter only the Akropolis Museum. Thank you!
Thank you, bye!
If you are under 25 and are a European Union citizen, you may enter for free.
How do you like it so far?
It is very interesting. There is so much information. You are not able to see this in a whole day, I guess. Or you take a whole day if you want to read it all.
It's huge.
But it's really huge. And for those who are interested in history, absolutely great.
Apparently, the left one should be the woman, the right one the man, kind of. I don't know.
The Greeks even had iPods. I think that's the first one ever discovered.
Athens is practically a city over a city. You can find excavation sites throughout the whole city. And the new Athens, as it is now, it was just built above other buildings.
So now we are heading to the Akropolis itself, to the main side of Athens you all know and want to see. So don't let us waste any more time and show you what it's all about.
Reminder to yourself, never skip Black Day.
Quick history lesson. Athens got its name from the battle between Athena and Poseidon. They both fought over the city. So they didn't want to start a war. So they made gifts to the people of Athens and let them decide who rules over the city. Poseidon gave them water, so they thought they could drink and water it and use it for the plants. But Poseidon is the god of the seas, so it was salt water. Athena gave them just a seed and planted it in the ground. And after a while, it grew up to a tree, to an olive tree. And they could use the olive for oils, for creams. They could use the wood to build their houses. So therefore Athena won the city and called it Athens.
This behind me is the sacred olive tree. This was the first olive tree in town, planted by the goddess Athena.
It's quite small for a 1,000-year-old tree, but okay. So stay with us for one last site for today. It's the Roman Agora.
It used to be the former marketplace and gathering point.
Now it's more or less in ruins, but follow us around, we show you the area, so you can decide if you want to visit yourself. So what do you think about Athens at the moment?
I think it's a beautiful city. I love the vibe. I love the people. There are a lot of archaeological sites to see, but definitely worth a visit. There are also some very beautiful churches, Orthodox, Catholic. I think Athens is the perfect place for a sunset.
If you're asking yourself why we're going up again, of course, to show you guys the sunset of Athens.
We're now heading to Psyrri neighborhood, the last part of our journey here in Greece. Psyrri is a local neighborhood with a lot of graffiti street art and good for nightlife. So let's check it out. We're now at Psyrri neighborhood. It's just a small neighborhood, apparently only 4 streets. But you have absolutely to check it out. There are a lot of cool cafes, bars, restaurants and nightclubs. So it's absolutely fun to come here in the evening.
So the best way is just enter the area, stroll around the streets and find a bar you like. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just strolling around, and if you find something interesting, we'll let you know.
We found Alice in Wonderland. I don't know what it is, but it looks so
Like
beautiful.
Wonderland.
It's a restaurant.
It's all the same, so you can
Oh, just sit down.
Okay,
Okay.
can we choose? Okay,
Thank you.
And rabbits and haddies all day. So I was very hungry, so I had a few stuff. I had all the strawberry trifle first, and then I remembered that I only like chocolate, and that wasn't chocolate. So I went to the kitchen and I had all the Victorian chocolate cake and all the profiterole. So you can't have any of those, but you can have the rest.
The Tweedledum is white wine, cinnamon syrup. Okay. Queen of Hearts, Mad Hatter, the White Rabbit, the Pigeon, the Doodoo, and Alice's sister.
We are celebrating our unbirthday today. Happy unbirthday to you!
It's no birthday, both the time.
Unbirthday.
I'm birthday. Hi.
I've never seen a place like this. Apparently, they're redecorating the whole area every 3 months. So just by accident, we found the Alice in Wonderland theme. The waitress said it's a new theme every 3 months. So if you check it out next time, tell us in the comments what's your theme.
And the level of detail is amazing. Yeah. And to do this every 3 months, respect. So
Respect.
you absolutely have to check it out. The cocktails are great.
The prices are okay. And they also have a cute little shop where you can buy decorations, and if you present and if you present your bill, you get 10% off.
So for today, let's end the video at Alice in Wonderland. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.
And see you in Bali.
Bye.
Bye.